In this tutorial, you'll learn how to invite people to your team workspace in VideoGen. Inviting team members allows you to collaborate, manage projects together, and keep everything organized in one shared workspace. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to send team invitations. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find a link in the description. Step 1. Go to your team workspace. Access your team management settings. This is where you manage members and control who has access to your shared workspace. First, from your dashboard, navigate to the Team tab to open your team workspace settings. Step 2. Click Invite People and enter email addresses. Add the people you want to collaborate with. This is where you choose who will join your workspace. Click Invite People, then enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite. You can add multiple email addresses if needed. Step 3. Send the invitation. After entering the email address, confirm and click Send Invite to send the invitation. Your team member will receive an email with instructions to access your workspace. Once they accept the invitation, the new member will be added to your team workspace. You've now learned how to invite people to your team workspace in VideoGen. Collaborating with your team makes it easier to manage projects, stay organized, and create videos together in one shared workspace. Thank you for watching. Sign up for VideoGen to start building with your team, and for more tutorials, visit our YouTube channel or explore our help docs.